Good afternoon. Let's see if we can demonstrate this QuickPay module. So I've opened up TCS. I'm going to go to the QuickPay module from the toolbar button. We notice that over on the left-hand side, we have some search options. This search option is associated with this search box and this search button. There's another search option on this screen is you've got this bill year and bill number filter. So I'll try to demonstrate the difference. If I put in a bill number here, it's going to filter this second list by only those bill years. So you see this bill list is currently listing every bill that has an amount due, a balance due. So it starts at 2015 and rolls down to 2021. So say for example I wanted to see only the 2019 bills. I can key in 2019, I can press enter, and this list filters to only the 2019 list. You notice the browser at the bottom is showing the details of the item that's listed in the middle browser. So if I click down on bill number 25, the bottom browser is going to refresh to show bill 25, where we can see any interest or FIFAs amount or any other fees in addition to this skeleton information up top, which is Avalon tax, total tax, balance due. So we can navigate this screen and just move up and down. If I want to see a specific bill number, if I want to filter just to this bill 47, I can use these together, and I've keyed in the year filter 19. I can put in a bill number of 47, and so it simplifies my display. I'll only see bill 47. The details are listed here, and this sucker is ready to pay. My payment amount is defaulted in for me, and we can process the payment. I'll get to that later. If I clear these out, it'll clear the filter. So I'll zero this one out, and zero the other one out, and press enter, and it returns my screen to its original standing. I'll talk about this browser very briefly. If I want again do a year filter, I can just click on the 2018 entry in this list. It filters the browser the same as it did when I used the filter up at the top. So I'm going to clear that out again. Earlier we did bill number 47. If I want to see all the bill 47s, I don't put in a year filter, and then my browser shows me all of the bill 47s, 19, 20, and 21. I can select those guys as whichever one I'm wanting to pay. And so it's really easy to navigate around using just these bill year and bill number filters. But let's talk about the searches over on the other side. These searches are going to fill this top browser. So if I want to search by bill number, I put in 4670. I click my search button. It's going to list, hopefully, yes, it fills my list of starting with bill number 4670 and all the bills below it. Now it's showing just the 2021 bills up at the top. Just happened to sort that way, but we notice we've got the other years filtered in here. Again, I told you by default that QuickPay only shows the balance due bills. If you want to see all the bills, you can check this box and it'll search through everything, whether it's paid or otherwise. So we can do parcel number searches. We can do name searches. We can do real key searches, purse key searches, right on down the line. So I'm not sure why. That's probably an invalid parcel number for Newton County. Let's try a name instead. Let's see if there's the old famous Smith. And we have some Smiths. And so again, Smith is selected up at the top, 2021. So this bill number 22,002 is this Smith Camp bill. If I want to go Mr. Randall, I come down here. If this person had multiple bills, they would be listed here. But this is kind of the navigation route here. So what I want to do now is talk about down at the bottom. We can print the screen. We can print this individual bill. If I wanted to print bill 31244, I can click the print bill button. I can print a receipt. If I want to go to the billing screen for some advanced tasks, I can click the open billing screen. That takes us to the billing screen that you guys have seen with your other efforts. I can also go to the property screen, which takes me directly to the property screen where I can process account changes, NODs, ENRs, that kind of stuff. But what this screen is designed for primarily is easy posting of payments. So let's close this guy and let's pretend that our trouble bill from this afternoon, Mr. 4670, walks in the door. If we know the bill number, it's super easy. I put in 4670. It's going to filter directly to that bill. It shows me the total amount due. He wanted to pay $700, his first installment. He gave you $750 cash. Now here's where installment billing may need some enhancements. If I put in the $750, it shows me the balance due. There is no change from the standpoint of the total amount due to what he paid. So we probably need an enhancement that shows the first installment only change. So in this event, I would key in the amount that he wanted to pay of the first installment. I don't have that memorized, so I'll make something up. $478.43, and I can say paid by Reese, and I can post that payment. I just click post. I'm not sure I've got my report set up correctly. It's on the other screen. It's doing the receipt display, and that payment has been posted, and you're done with that guy. So if I wanted, the screen refreshes. The idea behind that is if it's paid in full, I don't want to see it listed anymore. I want it to go away so it gives me an ever-changing and ever-up-to-date reconciliation of which bills are outstanding. So if I want to go back and see that bill again, I can go back to 4670. We can see there's a balance due now of $1,000 because I paid whatever, I forget what I typed in now for the payment amount. If I want to see that, I can go to billing payment, or open the billing screen, and I can see I paid $478.43. There's the $1,015 due. So QuickPay's quick and dirty and easy. Maybe we need some enhancements for just the installments. So you can just type in the $750 and see the change back from the installment amount. Not sure what the business flow is there, if you normally give them change back, or count that additional $3 towards the next installment. We can talk about that and how that should go. So hopefully this helps.